no. Why am I on the ground?
Sophia, get off me. Wait, where are we?
I'm pretty sure we're in like the taiga biome or something. It's like a real forest. I don't know, man.
The what?
Wait, do you guys hear that?
Hello students, and welcome to the taiga, or the largest terrestrial biome in the world.
I don't see anything.
I don't
Who
see anything
said
either.
that?
That's a bit concerning.
Well, that just makes it a whole lot worse.
It's so cold, I can't even feel my hands.
My hands are freezing.
I mean, that is expected. This is the taiga biome, and temperatures are meant to drop.
I already hate it here.
Luckily for them, they reached the taiga biome during its early winter season, which means it can go up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. You might be wondering, how is that lucky? It's freezing. But the taiga biome is known for its brutal and long winters and its short and cool summers. So it can actually go all the way down to the negatives, and during the summer season, it usually only goes up to 70 degrees Fahrenheit.
What's that over there, guys?
Build survival kits. Let's see what's in there.
Let's go look.
But we have to be careful. We don't know what's in it. It can hurt us.
Shut up, Hala.
Oh, I have a jacket and food.
What do you have, Jazzy?
I have a water bottle. It's not even full.
I have something that will save us. I have a tent.
Mine's still better.
Wait, and then I also have scissors. I don't know what this to do with it. How would we need scissors? Wait, I don't know what it's for. Guys, let's take a walk, see what the geography is like, and see what we're working with.
Okay. Well, this is the taiga, so I'm expecting it's somewhere up north, maybe by the tundra.
Where even is up north?
Watch the
my
spider.
God, a spider!
What is that? I don't know.
Is this a map?
Yeah, I think. I don't really know what countries are shown, though. I want someone to explain it.
As you see, there will be a map of the world on the screen. There will be shaded regions in the picture that show the taiga, where the taiga biome is located. The taiga forest is stretched across Europe, Asia, North America, and right below the belt of the Arctic Circle. Specifically in Canada, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Russia, Mongolia, and China. Now, let's take a closer look at the geography. In the taiga, they have very dense forests with flat land. And you can usually see lakes, rivers, and wetlands. The soil there is very thin and has a layer of permafrost over it. And the summer in taiga can get 10 to 20 inches of rain, and in winter they get about 20 to 40 inches of snow.
So what's not alive here? Abiotic factors, like water, temperature, soil.
Wait, what does
Sunlight.
abiotic mean?
Not living.
Oh, okay. So everything here is against us right now.
Yeah.
The taiga is shaped by harsh abiotic factors like extreme weather, thin acidic soil, and sunlight. Biotic factors include coniferous forests, herbivores, and predators that have adapted to these abiotic factors.
Guys, how is there so many plants if it's this cold?
I'm surprised myself. I didn't expect there to be this many.
That's why you don't need these sunglasses, Sophia.
It's a lifestyle, Hala.
Wow, you guys really are clueless. That is something called adaptations. Because winters here are long and dark, there is limited sunlight for photosynthesis, so plants must do their growing during summer months. Many plants in the taiga include the jack pine trees, feather moss, rosemary, wild strawberries, lingonberry, balsam fir, and cloudberry. All of these plants have adapted to the taiga environment. Some of these adaptations for the plants include growing low on the ground and using needle leaves. A great example of a taiga plant adaptation is the jack pine tree. It actually has needle-like leaves that reduce water loss in freezing environments, and they're able to thrive in thin acidic soil. A very interesting fact is that they actually use fire to spread their seeds. Their cones only open during extreme heat, and since it doesn't get very hot in summer, the wildfire releases the seeds and helps reproduction.
Stop it! I just heard something.
Sophia, calm your horses, bro. It's probably just the wind.
That did not sound like the wind.
Okay, so
Everything in this ecosystem has a role, so let's calm down.
Well, everything in this ecosystem looks like it wants to eat us.
okay, now you need to chill. Like, shut up.
This Sophia girl needs to learn something from being in here. Not everything in here wants to eat her. Many things, yeah, but not everything. For example, herbivores won't want to eat her because they have a strictly plant-based diet. Some herbivores in the taiga include caribou, crossbills, and the moose. However, in the taiga, there are also omnivores and carnivores, which do pose a greater threat to Sophia because they do eat meat. Some omnivores in the taiga include the boreal coarse frog, martens, and ravens. Some of the carnivores in the taiga include great gray owl, the great wolf, and the lynx. Now let's see how the moose has adapted to the taiga. They've adapted by having long legs for the winter snows and large feet, which make them strong swimmers. They've also evolved to have thick coats to protect them against sub-zero weather. This all helps the moose live in the taiga, likely due to natural selection in previous generations who favored moose who had thicker coats or stronger bodies.
Alright, okay.
Hey,
guys,
look.
Ew, what is that?
It looks like large moose tracks with smaller tracks next to them. I'm guessing those are wolves?
Yeah, but then the moose tracks just stop and the wolf keeps going. What does that mean?
I'm guessing it has something to do with predation?
Jazzy is actually on the right track. This is a very normal thing that happens. It's actually called a food chain. A food chain shows how energy moves from one organism to another. It goes from producers to consumers. This is where predation occurs as predators like wolves eat animals like moose and get energy transferred to them.
Great, that voice is back again.
So let me get this straight. First it's the plants getting in, then the herbivores, and then the carnivores or the predators just die?
I think that's how it works. I mean, like, we're seeing it in real life.
It doesn't even stop there. If you die, then some of that energy goes to decomposers. A universal estimate is only about 10% of energy is transferred from one level through the next, as most is used for life processes like cellular respiration, cell growth like mitosis and meiosis, which are used for cell growth and reproduction, active transport, which is used to move nutrients, or it is just lost as heat.
Sophia!
Can we take a break? I'm breathing.
Sure.
Hey, guys, feel this.
I'm not touching that. So cold. Guys, listen. It sounds like wind.
I just see endless trees.
It smells like wet wood.
Not a very pleasant smell.
She's not surviving a day.
Together, these sensory details show how the conditions of the taiga really are. These conditions are usually harsh, and humans have inherited some traits to help them survive. These traits include homeostasis and our body's ability to store fat, which provides some insulation. However, the most important factor is the fact that humans are aware and use clothing fires to stay warm.
If I see one more bug,
Sophia,
I'm actually...
stop! What is that?
Where?
Is it a moose or something? Don't.
No.
Wow, really didn't want them there. But this situation helps us show how their amygdala sent signals throughout their nervous system that triggered their flight or fight response. The amygdala is the part of the brain that detects threats and fears and identifies danger. They trigger the flight or fight response by releasing adrenaline, increasing heart rate, breathing, and stress levels. In this situation, one of the girls...
The day I just had today was actually crazy.
Hala?
Sophia. Sofia.
Jazzy?
You! Hey, Zin, I'll call you back.
Hey, wait, did you guys have like a dream about a forest?
Like a tiger, right?
Yeah. Oh my God.
I also had that dream. Did you guys have that like weird voice thing?
Yeah, I wonder,
Yes, I
that
wonder
was.
what that voice
I don't know.
was.
Oh,
do you want me to
have
jump?
to jump, yeah.
I don't want to run.
Wait, fast motion and we're gonna turn, like in circles.